Gadia and I am back with another vlog. And this video is going to be super interesting as it will be a Urbanic lookbook, and I'll be styling all the clothes I bought from Urbanic last time. And I'll be creating majorly two looks, formal and casual. Formal looks for office going people and casual look for your brunches, lunches or dates or whatever you like. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
So the first look is a formal look. It is best for your office or your meetings. Here I am pairing up a palazzo with a sheer top. The bottom is from Zara and the top is from Urbanic. The overall look of this outfit is very elegant. It's very classy. You can see the knot detailing on the waist of the bottom. It's not too much or not too less. It's just perfect. Also, the top and the bottom are complementing each other very nicely. The nude color palazzo is going perfectly with this printed sheer top. I really love the color of the palazzo. Also, the material is so breathable. It feels super soft, super comfortable. The top is very comfortable. It doesn't irritate the skin at all. Like we know, most of the sheer tops are not that comfortable to the skin, not soft to the skin, but this is just opposite with this top. This is so amazing. Next we have this very cool day out look. It is best when you're going out with your girlfriends for shopping. It is super cool. Here I am wearing a wide length jeans with a plain t-shirt. The jeans is from Urbanic and the t-shirt is from bewakoof.com. Actually the t-shirt is not really mine, it's my brother's, and that's why I did this knot thing on the vest so that it fits me perfectly. Also the knot looks very cute, I think. The fitting of this jeans is just amazing, and मैंने एक क्यूट सा हाफ ओपन हेयर बन भी बनाया है इसके साथ, जो इस लुक को ओवरऑल बहुत ही क्यूट बना देता है. आई जस्ट लव द कलर ऑफ दिस टी शर्ट. और मुझे लगता है कि जब भी हम शॉपिंग के लिए जाते हैं तो वी शुड जस्ट बी कंफर्टेबल. दैट इज़ व्हाट आवर एजेंडा शुड बी, कि कंफर्टेबल रहो, डांस इट आउट एंड हैव फन. And again we have a formal look. Here I am pairing up a white leg palazzo pant with a full sleeves top. The bottom is from Street Style Store. I love shopping from them. And the top is from Urbanic. This palazzo is super high waist, as you can see. And there is a knot given on the waist which just makes this palazzo a perfect bottom. The overall outfit is very comfortable yet very chic. And now I'm gonna give this top a very casual look by pairing it up with the wide leg jeans. The jeans is from Urbanic and the fitting of this jeans is just amazing. The length is just perfect. I think this really suits this top. मतलब ये look पूरा ऐसा लगता है, it's just amazing. I think it's a perfect brunch outfit. Oh wait, let's just add a belt to this outfit. Tan-tan-a! I think the belt just elevates the whole outfit. Like, just look at it. I mean, बहुत ज़्यादा detail लग रहा है ये jeans and it's just looking amazing. And again we have a casual look. Here I am pairing up a skin fit blue jeans with a shoulder padded top. और मुझे लगता है white just complements blue very well. और ये टॉप बहुत ही कूल, बहुत ही लूज, बहुत ही ब्रीदेबल है और द फिटिंग ऑफ दिस जीन्स इज़ जस्ट अमेजिंग. द टॉप इज़ फ्रॉम अर्बनिक, द जीन्स इज़ फ्रॉम, आई थिंक ये आउटफिट को आप कहीं भी पहन सकते हैं. यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ ब्रंच और फॉर शॉपिंग और अ मूवी, एनीथिंग. और मैंने इसके साथ एक पोनी कर रखी है, बिकॉज व्हाई नॉट.
So this is all about today's video. If you'd like this video, do not forget to give it a like and comment down below कि आपको कौन सा look ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, formal or casual.